Innovation is all about creating the perfect experience. At BMW, we are true innovators. We are perfecting cars that are already quite perfect, creating unique, immersive experiences, and always following our vision to merge real driving pleasure with virtual experience. Transforming the car into a portal to the virtual world. Reinventing reality. This is the future of BMW. Our vision is the most important source of inspiration for our brands and products today. Why have a vision if not to bring it to life? The head-up display, essential for navigation and safety, we have been improving it for 20 years. Now we are taking it to a whole new level. The all-new BMW Panoramic Vision, a fundamental new element of the future BMW human-machine interaction system, transforming the entire windshield into an outstanding gigantic display, an iconic tech milestone, a highly customizable, cutting-edge user interface, projecting all the information you need with full context and situation awareness, perfectly displayed in the driver's line of sight. And on top of that, exclusive, brand new media and entertainment features for all passengers. With the BMW Panoramic Vision, we will enter a new dimension of eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. We will revolutionize the emotional experience with your BMW. And this is just one of our upcoming game-changing innovations. We've got a lot more to come this year.
In production, we are bringing innovation to life. It is part of our DNA to seamlessly integrate the latest technologies. This year, we already produce 11 fully electric models in our global production network, like the sporty and thrilling i4 here in Plant Munich, or our technological masterpiece, the BMW i7. With the Neue Klasse, we will take the next massive leap forward. Starting with Debrecen, we will integrate its new vehicle architecture and a new generation of high-voltage batteries into our global production network. As you can see, the BMW iFactory is taking shape, highly flexible, at full speed, and always leveraging the opportunities of digitalization. But take a look yourself. In the virtual world, our Vision D is already rolling off the line. Welcome to the future of BMW Group production.
The future is decided by innovations. This will be especially true for our customers' digital experience in the Neue Klasse. That's exactly what the BMW iVision D stands for. We bring the most powerful innovations and technologies into the company, in close cooperation with our supplier network. We are looking far into the future, using our expertise to identify digital innovations and enable our suppliers to make them ready for series production. The digital key represents co-development at its best. We have set a unique industry standard together with Apple. The driver uses the smartphone as a car key, contactless and without even taking it out of his pocket. Today, this works across iOS and Android, on Apple, Google and Samsung devices, with more to follow. Increasing innovation scouting and actively empowering our partners to innovate. This is how we are tapping into the opportunities of the future.